I'm sure by now everyone has heard about the Delta flight that landed upside down at Toronto Airport, but did you hear that Delta is offering each passenger $30,000, no strings attached? I'm Eliza Orlins, career public defender in Manhattan for 15 years, and I want to talk about this offer and what it means and whether people should take it, because I've been getting a lot of questions about this. Before we dive into this, I am not a personal injury attorney. I'm not an aviation attorney. I am a public defender. I only do criminal cases. This is not legal advice. However, I feel pretty confident saying that airlines don't just hand out $30,000 for no reason out of the goodness of their hearts. I would say this is about PR. This is about damage control. This is about limiting liability. And most importantly, limiting lawsuits. A quick cash payout like this can discourage passengers from pursuing more serious legal action against Delta, which could cost them a lot more in the long run. Now, I understand that a Delta spokesperson has said, no, this is just a no strings attached payment, but I would just advise people to consult with an aviation attorney before accepting any payment and make sure you don't sign anything. If this really is a no strings attached payment and they are not giving up anything, then they could still bring a lawsuit later on for more damages, even if they accept this $30,000 payment. It doesn't necessarily mean that people are giving up their rights for more. It does seem pretty typical that some type of payment is given to passengers with minimal or no injuries in this sort of event, and that it doesn't stop passengers from being able to sue Delta for more compensation later if they can prove loss or damages. The rights of Delta's passengers are protected under the Montreal Convention. This was a flight from the United States to Canada, and both countries have signed on. Under this convention, the $30,000 would not be an acceptance of liability on the part of Delta, but also wouldn't bar passengers from seeking additional damages. And obviously, if there were passengers who were injured, they would be entitled to more compensation. I hope you found this interesting. If you have more questions like this, feel free to leave them in the comments and make sure you're following me for more. Thanks for being here.